In 1948, several students from 7 European countries founded AIESEC as an organization to help develop friendly relations between member countries. Today, with 22,000 active student members at over 1,100 universities and 800,000 alumni in more than 100 countries, this is the largest and most diverse student organization in the world. This is AIESEC. Each year, AIESEC realizes over 350 international conferences, opportunities for international exchange, and over 5,000 leadership positions. A professional international student organization located in 9 cities in the Netherlands, offering positions to members in finance, marketing, public relations, strategy, exchange facilitation, event organization, and more. AIESEC offers interaction with companies from around the world, from multinational corporations to innovative startups, experiences with students from abroad, and extensive training in various countries. Do you want to take an active role, develop self-awareness and personal vision, increase your capacities, build a network which spans the globe, and challenge your view of the world? Then join us. AIESEC, connecting international talent.
Now what?